how to buy books on Kindle. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up a web browser on your mobile or computer. After that, go to www.amazon.com and make sure you are logged into your Amazon account. Then, click on the hamburger menu at the upper left corner. Over here, scroll down and select Kindle e-readers and books. After that, choose Kindle books from the categories. Then, select the book you want to buy from the list. After that, click on the Buy Now button. Then, enter your Amazon account password and click Sign In. After that, select or add your payment method and follow the prompts to complete the purchase. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.